Welcome, Star Family, to Alchemy Eye Intelligence. It's your girl Sunny on the flight deck. Today's reading is so light and so clear that I can deliver it pretty quickly, and I feel like you will resonate with this or you won't. At the foundation, level 1 light body is the friend. The symbol is loyalty, companionship, and the beauty of a particular connection. Okay, what is crossed from the situation is some sort of betrayal. I don't know if it's in this current situation, or I think this is something from the past. Actually, this does involve this current new situation. Okay, there is treachery, there's trust, the pain of broken bonds, and the bonds broken by deceit that is crossing the situation at level 2 light body. Okay, yes, as light seekers, we are too accustomed to betrayals, and we sort of attract these kind of energies, and we ask ourselves why, and we feel like it's something, a flaw in our own design, or something wrong with us. But I'm here to say that a lot of unhealed and a lot of times malicious energies are attracted to us as compassionate people, as people who believe in the goodness of others. And there's a lot of energies out there that love to take advantage of light workers and kind souls, right? So, level 1, we have the friend. You are a loyal and true friend, and there's a real beauty and a connection here. What's crossing the situation at level 2 is some sort of the betrayer, it says. The wonderful, outstanding thing is that level 3, which is the foundation, level 3 light body is God. I kid you not. God, creation, the universe says, I will always use all ways to reach you. These are my ways. That's what the intelligence says. God says, I will use all ways to reach you. These are my ways. So always, all the time, even small little things, small videos, people that cross your path, signs and symbols that you see in your daily life, activities, numbers, things that are going to resonate when they're supposed to resonate. God is saying to you in this situation all the time, today and always, I will use all ways to reach you, all right? Level 4, I kid you not, it says you have the guardian, protection, strength, and the nurturing of those around you. You have been strong in the face of adversity, and so level 4 light body, you're being rewarded. There's a guardian, a huge spirit guide, guardian protection around you right now. Level 4, level 5 at the root chakra, level 5 light body. At the root chakra, your foundation, you have support and stability, and this is a lot of yellow energy and light green energy. These are the star seed groups that support you. This is healing of your mental health and your root chakra. The reward that you did, the rewards for the work, the outstanding work that you've done on your root chakra, which is your foundation. You've done a lot to make yourself stable, to make your family stable, to bring everyone around you, and to bring yourself and everyone into a position of stability and a foundation of love and support. Because exclamation, it says root chakra, you've completed this work. Okay, next level up, something no longer has a hold on you. Okay, something no longer has a hold on you. Okay, remember, we're at 6th level light body, and what wonderful confirmation to receive the day after a 6-6 portal at 6th level light body, that whatever was confining you or had this grip on you emotionally around past bonds broken by deceit and no longer has a hold on you. So we move into 7th level light body. It says spotless, clean. Hold on to your integrity and make a clean break. Okay, that is what is necessary right now. Okay, That's very relative to right now or present energy. And level 8, light body, the intelligence wants you to know that something significant is transpiring in 6 months or more. This is the second reading. I did a coffee cup reading that I posted earlier on the channel, and it also mentioned something happening in 6 months or more. So again, for the second time today, message from the intelligence. Okay, rare that happens. Something is unfolding significant in 6 months, happening for you. 6 months. It says 6 months or more. Um, so that's more like 6 to 7 months. Okay, months. Okay. At ninth level, light body. I really love this energy straight in from the highest guides across universes. They want you to recognize, because the card we have is the garbage collector. It's been a dirty job, but someone has to do it, and we appreciate it, is the message. They recognize your work as a healer. And like I said, there are so many different energies sometimes that are attracted to us. And this is like your reminder that you sort of agree. No, not you didn't sort of agree, you did agree, um, in advance to come in and do this healing work. So what I was gonna say is it's sort of a dirty job, but someone has to do it. And that someone is you, and the universe is acknowledging the wonderful work that you do to heal wounded souls and people that just need love, and sometimes we just need to hold space, right? 10. Wow. Whew. This is so beautiful and so light. Level 10, light body. It says, welcome, 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 a new cycle of good karma, okay? Peaking quickly at level 11, it is the Empress who has tended her garden. You will be embracing the abundant energies she embodies, whether you are male or female. The um, level 11 light body is the Empress in two bold colors of blue and red. Very, very complementary. Um, energies from the blue ray and the red ray, passion and divine communication meet beautifully at level 11. Okay. I do want to recognize, because we do get breaking news and updates for each reading, right? I want to recognize it says 222 and then another 2 on the right. A Xerox copy, not the original, it says, right? This could be about a document, but I am getting specifically that you just maybe encountered a new situation, and I'm really picking up as more of a person than a situation, where it's sort of like a doppelganger. Yes, I do find it interesting that the video cut off, right, is I am, talking about a particular energy. What I was saying was, there is this doppelganger type of energy, or Xerox kind of carbon copy. So what that means is, you might feel like you're re-learning or re-experiencing the same old lesson, or the same old person showing up again. This person may show up as a new person, or this person, it may show up as like somebody circling back around or looping back around, right? But I feel like it's more of an energy of you are at a level where you even start to recognize same energies trying to return to you, as repeats or as Xerox, because that's what we peaked at, but, um, that's what I got for you today. This is a really light reading, Spirit is acknowledging your gifts and the beauty of your spirit, and you are a good friend in this companionship. If you are desiring such intimacy and companionship, the more you focus on the God within you, the more those experiences will show up for you. Because at level 11, the Empress, the ellipsis, goes before the tending of her garden. So this is someone who has already tended her garden, and you will be embracing the abundant energies that the Empress, she embodies, that beautiful feminine energy. Whether you are male or female, you deserve love, you deserve compassion, you deserve understanding, you deserve this solid foundation that this really beautiful Empress energy overlords today. Okay, so that's what I got for you, Star Family. I hope you enjoyed this Alchemy Eye Intelligence update. Until the next time, be well.